Okay, so today was not a great day. It was actually a bad day. Probably my worst day of the year so far. It was similar to yesterday, except today I took the second trade and I took both of them at full risk and a loss. Right, so one of them was a breakout and one was a break of candle demand. Right, so they were both on gold, by the way. Ultimately, today was just an L day. I'm currently 0-3 for the week. So boom, we took a breakout for the buys. And gold did not play with me. Like, boom, wick, stop loss. I was pissed. Yesterday, I didn't take the re-entry. And the re-entry won big. Not re-entry, but I didn't take the follow-up setup yesterday. And they both won big. I really wanted to win today, so I took the risk. I went in on the second setup, which was the setup that we initially wanted anyways. It was the demand. You can still have a nice breaker structure, aggressive buying, come back to the zone, tap it. But my mistake was that, and I had it in my mind to do it, but I wanted to take the breakout mixed with the demand, but ultimately, I just took the breaker candle, and that was a mistake, cause wick, boom, stop loss. You feel me? Like the market was not playing with us today, and ultimately, it's NFP week, so knowing that it's NFP week, you gotta kind of expect some bullshit. And I probably should have lowered the risk, but it is what it is. I took the losses, and I'm gonna just have to come back. Not even tomorrow. I'm probably done for the week. I'm probably done for the week, honestly, because that's what 0-3, 0-3, and we don't trade NFP Friday. I have no reason to go into Thursday and then take another loss, even though you never know, anything can happen. But at the same time, I'm probably gonna call it. Not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna call it. I might see how I feel on Thursday, but most likely I'm done for the week. L week. And we're just gonna have to come back next week fresh and keep it going. You know what I mean? But that was basically that was a day, man. I mean, it didn't even take too long. One loss, another one like 10 minutes after. But that's the nature of the game. Right? I didn't take anything after. And my day was pretty much done. And this fell for a little bit more, and it did this thing. But by this point, I'm you know, there's probably stuff on the 1 minute that I could have caught, but after taking the two trades, it's like that shit was on my mind all day. Obviously, nobody wants to lose, so that sucks. But that was pretty much the day. Not very eventful. Markets didn't bless today. Let's just say that. The markets did not bless. You know what I'm saying? She damn near trying to take back all the profits from last month. Like, what the fuck? But we're gonna have to come back like next week stronger, because something's gotta give, bro. But what I'm not gonna do is abandon the plan, because that's when you really start to lose. I ain't losing yet. I mean, I lost a trade. I'm on a little losing streak, but that's a part of trading. That's a part of trading. When you start to fuck up is when you start to like abandon the plan and start doing bullshit. So, but I'm gonna just have to stuff this L and just keep it pushing. Just like a losing streak, a winning streak must come again, and I will be there. I will be there. But for now, I'm just trying to shake this little losing streak that I'm on right now. So I'm gonna probably just call it for the week, like I said, and come back fresh Monday, right? Most likely, I probably won't trade anything. Did Nasdaq do anything today? She didn't. What did she do today? Nasdaq. Oh yeah, this is what. As soon as Nasdaq started doing this, I stopped looking at it. And I was like, yeah. She ain't on nothing today. You can't do nothing with that. You can't trade that. You can't trade that. How you gonna trade that? You know what I'm saying? Faith out on the supply. Stop loss. Cooked. I tell you, man. I'm telling you, today was not the day. Today was not the day. But, you know, it is what it is. We just gotta keep showing up. Right? And that's what I'm gonna keep doing. You know, one thing I'll say is, even though I don't like physically, even though I don't like physically crash out, or you know what I'm saying, I'm not cussing and doing shit like that, it still bothers me like a lot when I take losses like this. So I'm still trying to like work and reach to a point where I can take these 2 losses, I can take the 3 losses on the bounce, and it doesn't really affect me on an emotional level. I mean, I'm not tripping, but you know, I was pissed all day, and I was pissed all day, and you know, that's not how you want to go about your day, because you know you're gonna always take losses, so you gotta be able to like just have a shooter's mentality. But yeah, that's all I got, man, and I'm gonna see y'all Thursday, maybe, question mark, not really, probably Monday. Either way, until then, stay disciplined, keep chasing your journey, because I'm gonna keep chasing mine. Yeah, peace.